Hi guys, it's Emily from Scotland908 and today I'm going to show you all my new stocks and also some of the old ones. Okay, so all these squishies have no defects and I will not be responsible for any defects that I've not shown you in case there are. Because it may be caused by some other reasons. Okay, so firstly, that I have this Brother Rotitos holder, which is selling for $6.50. And note that all these squishies over here are not up for time sale. Yeah. So this is $6.50. This is $4.90. This is the fruit cakes, and these fruit cakes are very squishy. Then this Android robot, but this astronaut one is not available, so it's $4.90. So this is $4.90, and this Hello Kitty is also $4.90, but it's not Sanyo license. This monkey is very squishy, and this is for $4.90. This Eco Friends is for $8.90. But unfortunately, the frog and the panda one is not available. So that is left with the sheep one, the bear, the pig, and the cheetah one. And I only have limited stocks for this Eco Friends. So hurry and get it. Then I have this Beaten Donuts. So this is sold out. This is sold out. What else? Let's see. This is sold out, and the rest are there. The rest. Oh wait, and this too. So the rest are still available, and this is for $2.90. Then this big smiley. This is sold out, and this is sold out. Number 10, number 11, and number 15 are sold out. And this big smiley face is for $5.90. Then these cake rolls, but this is sold out. So, and note that this is not blue. This is purple, if I'm not wrong. And it's $4.90. And all these cream cakes, but these are not squishy. They are just phone charms, and the crabs are not squishy either. So these are for $4.90 or so. And these are some melon buns and some croissants, but these two melon buns are out of stock. So, yeah. And each of these are selling for $3.90. Then these donuts, this is sold out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 designs are sold out, which 1, 2, 6, and 12. 1, 2, 6, and 12. Are sold out. This for $2.90. Okay, then next I have this small smileys, which is selling for $2.90. So this is sold out. This is sold out, and then this is sold out also. So yep, $2.90. Then the slice cakes. But this is sold out. The pink one is sold out. So, and these are selling for $4.90. Next, I have this icing cones, but this design is sold out. And yeah, this design is sold out, and it's selling for $4.50. And Christy, I think the one that I haven't gave it to you is this number 2, if I'm not wrong. If not, it's this one. Then these are magnetic donuts. These are selling for $3.90. and all the designs are still available. So that's basically all the stocks that I have, which are not up for time sale. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and bye.